Maintaining the right tire pressure is crucial for safety, fuel efficiency, and prolonging your tire's lifespan. Tire pressure monitors, TPMS, are essential tools for modern drivers, helping to detect low or high pressure before it becomes a problem. In this video, we'll explore the 5 best tire pressure monitors of this year, covering their standout features, usability, and durability. Whether you're a daily commuter or a long-haul traveler, these devices will ensure a smoother, safer ride. Let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 1, Carmate TPMS. The Carmate TPMS is a versatile and user-friendly tire pressure monitoring system designed to cater to both casual drivers and enthusiasts. With its compact design and advanced features, it's an excellent addition to any vehicle. Key features: this TPMS includes 4 external sensors with high accuracy, capable of detecting pressure ranges from 0 to 116 psi. Its real-time monitoring system provides updates via a color LCD display, alerting you to abnormal pressure or temperature. It boasts a long battery life and wireless connectivity for easy setup. Benefits and usage: the Carmate TPMS is ideal for monitoring tire health in real time, ensuring safety on the road. Its audible and visual alarms alert drivers to critical situations, preventing accidents caused by underinflated or overinflated tires. Usability: the device is easy to install, with sensors that screw onto the tire valves. The compact display unit fits neatly on your dashboard, providing clear and constant readings without being intrusive. Durability: built with high-quality materials, the Carmate TPMS sensors are waterproof and weather-resistant, ensuring long-term reliability. Its robust design makes it suitable for use in extreme conditions, from scorching summers to freezing winters. In the second spot, we have TPMS by Gosi. The TPMS by Gosi combines affordability with functionality, making it a great option for drivers who need reliable monitoring without breaking the bank. Its sleek design and innovative features set it apart in the market. Key features: this system features 4 external sensors and a solar-powered LCD display. It monitors tire pressure in real time, detecting ranges between 0 and 130 psi. Alerts are provided for overpressure, underpressure, high temperature, and rapid leakage. Benefits and usage: the Gosi TPMS ensures safer driving by providing timely alerts, reducing risks of blowouts and improving fuel efficiency. The solar charging capability eliminates the need for frequent battery replacements, making it convenient for long trips. Usability: its installation is straightforward, with screw-on sensors and a lightweight display that attaches to your dashboard. The intuitive interface ensures drivers can easily interpret pressure and temperature readings at a glance. Durability: crafted with durable materials, the Gosi TPMS is resistant to water, dust, and corrosion. Its sturdy build ensures reliable performance even in adverse weather conditions, making it a dependable choice for all-season use. Coming in at number 3 is the EEZTire TPMS. The EEZTire TPMS is a high-performance monitoring system tailored for RVs, trucks, and larger vehicles. With its advanced features and user-friendly design, it's a premium choice for those who demand accuracy and reliability. Key features: this system includes 10 external sensors that can monitor up to 22 tires, with pressure ranges up to 199 psi. The large, backlit LCD display provides real-time updates on pressure and temperature, while customizable alerts warn against deviations. Benefits and usage: the EEZTire TPMS is perfect for professional drivers and road trippers who need to monitor multiple tires simultaneously. Its high accuracy and wide pressure range make it suitable for heavy-duty vehicles and trailers. Usability: the system is easy to set up, with sensors that attach securely to the tire valves. The large display is user-friendly, offering clear visuals even in low-light conditions. Durability: designed for tough environments, the EEZTire sensors are waterproof, dustproof, and resistant to impact. Its high-quality build ensures long-lasting performance, even under heavy loads and extreme temperatures. Taking our 4th spot is B-Way TPMS. The B-Way TPMS is a compact and efficient system that provides accurate real-time monitoring for cars, SUVs, and light trucks. Its innovative features and sleek design make it a popular choice among everyday drivers. Key features. This system includes 4 external sensors and a solar power display. It monitors pressure from 0 to 99 psi and offers alerts for low pressure, high pressure, temperature changes, and rapid leaks. Its auto sleep and wake-up functions conserve power efficiently. Benefits and usage. The B-Way TPMS enhances driving safety by preventing issues caused by improper tire pressure. Its solar power design is eco-friendly and ensures consistent performance without frequent battery replacements. Usability. Installation is simple, with screw-on sensors and a dashboard-mounted display. The system automatically wakes up when the vehicle is in motion, providing seamless monitoring without manual adjustments. Durability. Built with high-grade materials, the B-Way sensors are water and dust-resistant. Its durable construction guarantees reliable performance in diverse driving conditions, from urban commutes to off-road adventures. And finally, at number 5, we have TireSafe. The TireSafe TPMS is a robust and reliable monitoring system designed to offer peace of mind to drivers. With its advanced features and durable construction, it stands out as a trustworthy companion for any journey. Key features. This system includes 6 external sensors and a wireless display with a range of up to 99 psi. It features customizable alerts for pressure and temperature anomalies, a built-in battery, and a compact, mountable design for convenience. Benefits and usage. The TireSafe TPMS is ideal for drivers of SUVs, trucks, and trailers who need comprehensive monitoring. Its multiple sensors and accurate readings help prevent accidents and reduce tire wear, promoting safety and efficiency. Usability. The sensors are easy to install, and the display unit is compact yet provides clear and concise information. Its wireless connectivity ensures a hassle-free setup and operation. Durability. Constructed with weather-resistant materials, the TireSafe sensors are built to last in harsh environments. Its rugged design ensures consistent performance under heavy use, making it a durable investment for long-term safety. And that wraps up our review of the 5 best tire pressure monitors of this year. A reliable TPMS is an essential tool for maintaining tire health, ensuring safety, and enhancing fuel efficiency. Whether you're looking for a basic system or a premium option, there's a product on this list to suit your needs. Share your favorite TPMS in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert reviews. Stay safe on the road, and see you in the next video.